Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, no videos about web development or any JavaScript projects. I was so busy with my new job as a web developer in the main university here in my town. But here we are now, back again with a great project. So let's get started and see today's project. Today we have a full screen video with a login form pop-up like this, which could be a great thing to be in the top of any web page. As you know, source code in the description. You can download it now and follow me. So the HTML part contain here a video with a paragraph, and then there is a login button below the paragraph, which you call a function open form. And here is the form, which will be open once we click this button. And here is the function that we will call once we click the login button. So this function change the style for the form from display none to be display block, and then there is a close button. We'll call another function close form. There's change the style for the form from display block to be none again. So simple. Maybe the great part is just with CSS. So in CSS here we start styling the body, but here we start with a box sizing. For any element doesn't have a box sizing, which means the whole page. And then we start styling the video. So to make it take the whole page or the full width of the page, we can make the position fixed and from right 0 and from bottom 0, and the minimum width 100%, and the same thing for the height. But if you want to create another elements below the video, you have to change the position to be relative. And then we start styling the content, which is the paragraph and the login button. And here is a styling for the login button. And when we hover this button, and then styling for the login form. All this is the styling for the login form. You can style it as you like. It's up to you. And that's it. I think it's a small and useful project. It can help you to create awesome web page. The point in this project is just how to make the video take the full width of the screen and how to show up the login form once you click the login button. So if you need any help, don't hesitate to ask. Good luck and see you next time.